welcome back to our channel Live Reviewed. My name is Deb, and today we will be doing the unboxing and overview of a mechanical gaming keyboard. We are quite famous for doing the mechanical keyboard unboxings and review. So today we will be doing the unboxing of this, and later I will be doing the full review of this after using it for a few days. So subscribe to the channel if you want to see the full review. So this one is one of the leading mechanical keyboards in the budget segment in India, and I have got a lot of requests to unbox this, and also I have received a lot of question to compare this with other compact keyboards that I have reviewed earlier. So that's the reason I got this, and today we'll be doing the unboxing and we'll do the full analysis of this later on. So let me tell you a bit about this keyboard. This is a 10 keyless. So as you can see, this is the mini one. The number keyboard on the side is missing. That actually saves quite a lot of space on your desk. So yeah, I prefer the 10 keyless one, at least for my office work, for coding, etc., because I do not require that. But for my actual gaming, I prefer the ones with the number pads. So this is this is the Kumara 552 K552. This is the blue equivalent, the mechanical blue switches, dust proof chroma RGB. So there are two variations. This is the RGB one. This costs around 3000, but there is another version which is the rainbow that will cost you around 2300. The difference is this one has individual key backlit, so you can program each of these keys according to your own color. But the rainbow one, that one you cannot program it. That one has a fixed color. So I will put a screenshot of a rainbow keyboard on this side of the screen. You can check that. All right, so high speed, high control, high response. Redragon seal here, Redragon zone, and package Kumara. So K551 Kumara. User manual 1, length okay, so let's see. Okay, 2005 certification. Yeah, high quality LED backlight mechanical gaming keyboard, high precision double injection keypads. Okay, full key conflict free. Okay, win key can be disabled. All right, so the basic gaming keyboard features. Yeah, this is in different languages. All right, so kindly register. The registration part is here. And the MRP of this is 4490, but as I mentioned, I got this for around 3000. I'll put the link of that below. You can check that out. This is made in China, of course. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and unseal this and take this out. Okay. So the Redragon Kumara K552. This is how it looks. So I'm a big fan of mini gaming keyboards, the 10 keyless one. I have done various unboxings earlier. Also, I'll put the link of this below and in the description, so you can check those out. This is nice. All right, so we have a keycap remover. This is really nice. Two keycap remover. That is really nice. That is really great. In one of the previous videos, I have mentioned that the key remover actually was scratching the keys. And yeah, this is good. So this is the metal one. So what happens is when you put it inside, it may actually cause damage to the keys itself, which are made of plastic. So I like that they have also provided a plastic one, which will be very convenient. All right, what else? What's that? What's that, brother? Okay, let's see. I think these are keys. These are the switches. I think so. Okay, so they have provided some blue keys. That's nice. So the click, this is how it should sound. So the blue key equivalent, I guess these will be hot swappable, so you can swap these out in the actual keyboard. Okay, we'll see. This is nice. They have provided actual key replacements. This is really nice. Till now I haven't seen any other company do that. Quite heavy. I really like this. Quite heavy. And this is the operate instruction manual. Okay, OS support is everything. How to change multimedia keys. I think this has quite a lot of multimedia keys. And ready for battle. Yeah, nice. And let's have a look. I have heard that this has a gold plated, yes, the gold plated USB cable. That means this is corrosion resistant. This will not rust. This is nice and quite long. This is not braided, nylon one. They have this holder here, velcro holder. Nice. This does not come out. This is fixed. I have to say this is metal. The build quality is awesome. So this is one of the reasons I wanted to get this. Yeah, this part I was talking about. This is metal. Yeah, I was mistaken. This is not metal. So it seems like metal. This is so solid that it actually seems like metal, but this actually is plastic. Yeah, this is plastic, but this plate that you see here, the screws, this one here, this is metal. Okay, so let me do the click test of this. Nice, very tactical, great feedback, quite soft, and blue keys, so this is very clicky. The sound, you will actually get the feel of a proper mechanical keyboard. The red ones are silent, the brown ones are also silent, but you get the feedback. But the blue ones, you get the feedback and along with the sound. So Redragon branding here, and the LEDs, and you have these shortcuts which you can use using the FN key. Nice, and these are the multimedia keys. This is nice. So I'll show you in the review video, not in this one. I'll show you all how to change all of the modes, how you can program this, how you can program each key, LED lighting. So I'll do every one of that in the review video. So subscribe to the channel if you want to see that. So this you can screw out. This is nice, and yeah, this one I wanted to show. This is rubberized, so this will give actual good grip. This is plastic, but this bottom part that you see, this is rubber, and good feedback. This clicks into place, so this will not go anywhere. This is quite nice. So the build quality of this is awesome. The build quality of this is very, very nice, and yeah, quite heavy as I mentioned, and I'm looking forward to using that. Let me just do one more thing. Let me just take one of the keys out. I hope it does not scratch it. Okay, it does not come out, and yeah, okay. So actually you can use this. So double injected mold, it was written, so this is what it means. So double layer. Okay, as you can see, it scratches when I use this. A little bit scratches there, so be careful when you do that. What on the other side? Yeah, as you can see, it scratches a little bit. Yes, so yeah, be careful while doing that. And the double injection means you have this white layer, on top of that there is this black covering. So what it does is, this F1 you see, this one is this layer that you see inside, and what happens is when it lights up, the light travels easily, it's not blocked. So the F1 will light up whatever color is in, down there. So great. Okay, before we go, I just wanted to tell you one other thing. So as we saw, this one is used to take out the keycaps, but this one is actually used to take out the keys itself. So you have this here. I will not do the actual on the key itself, but what you can do is you can put it here and you can press this. So what will happen is, see, there is this holder here. So when you do that, you will just go like this. You can hold this, and this you can very easily just pry it out. So something like this. So there is this place here. You can just hold this, and you can take this out with this one. So this is, you can customize the keycaps, and you can customize the actual keys itself. So this is hot swappable, so this is really nice. And as you can see, the keys actually have stabilizers here. These wings, these are called the stabilizers. We actually saw this in one of our earlier unboxing keyboards, that was from the Cosmic Byte. So yeah, this with my prior experience, these are actually really nice. So what the stabilizer does is, when you type this or when you just do this, it wobbles very less. So as you can see here, not much wobble here, but in case the stabilizer is not there, you would have just rattled around quite a lot. Okay, I hope you like this video. If you did, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and check out our latest videos. Goodbye.